Hey everyone, my name is Elias. I work at FFL Elite. This week on 20K is Basic, I want to talk about Americo. Americo is one of our favorite carriers. It's our number one carrier for the following reasons. So this is going to be about why you should prioritize Americo for your clients and for yourself. So let's talk about that. Let's start with the clients. That's our most important part here. Remember, this company has been built on three things. It's got to be good for the client, good for the agent, and it can't hurt the company. So following on those footsteps, Americo for the client. Americo has many products. So if you have just Americo as your first carrier as an agent, awesome. You can get in the field right away and help families. We have term product with Americo, term with cashback, which is my absolute favorite. And we have whole life products with Americo. And then of course, we also have annuities too, if you want to get into more advanced marketing sales. But just sticking with just term and whole life and term with cashback, that's a lot of product to cover pretty much any demographic for our clients. Remember, this company started with just Americo. So if Sean Mike can do it with just Americo, why can't you? All right. Now, the other thing is it's very lenient in terms of underwriting. There's been times where I didn't know if I can get a client approved with Americo, but it went through. Secondly, it's instant decision, meaning you can fill in the application within 5 minutes. You'll know if they're approved or not. There's no coming back. There's no waiting 2-3 months for potential approval. They're approved right there on the spot, day one coverage. One of the things I really like about Americo is if the client, God forbid, passes away between the time the policy is applied for and the time the policy is paid for, well, Americo will take the death benefit and subtract the first payment and still pay out the full amount. So it's the best approval, the best type of coverage for any of our clients, okay? Secondly, let's talk about the agents. Well, obviously, Americo has the highest paying commission, so that's a given right there. Americo does fund our VP bonuses. So the more Americo business you have, the bigger your VP bonus is going to be if you're planning on building an agency, okay? And a lot of times building an agency here, you kind of fall into having a couple of recruits here and there, all right? And then, of course, our 8% bonus. Americo is the only company that will give you an 8% bonus on all of your Americo business for the year. So as long as you write $45,000 in issued paid premium in a 6-month period, Americo will pay you 8% bonus on that. So imagine writing $100,000 a year in business, just Americo. That's an $8,000 bonus. Anywhere you go in the world, if you have an $8,000 bonus just for the end of the year, that's a pretty good bonus. Well, you can do that. If you do $300,000 as a Hall of Fame producer, you do $300,000 of that as just Americo. Well, that's $24,000. A $24,000 raise, that's hard to come by these days. So take it, use it. Americo is the way to go. And finally, Americo is what helped start this company. So you scratch my back, I scratch yours. There's a bit of a loyalty factor there too. All right, guys, I hope that helps. Have a great day. Let's go out there and protect some families. Take care.